MusicOnline UK.
Carl Reinecke's Prelude might at first sight seem one of the easier choices in the ABRSM Grade 3 piano syllabus, but it is more than about just playing the right notes. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the things that the examiner is looking out for so that you can get the best mark possible. One of the first things you need to be attentive to is tonal control, and in particular, picking out where is the tune of this piece. To start off with, I'm going to play you the tune of the first 8 bars. Now, that tune happens to be the top notes of the right hand, and you need to give these top notes a little bit of weight, not too much, just lean on them slightly so that you can pick them out as the tune. The left hand isn't very interesting. That's not very melodic. And the lower notes of the right hand isn't very melodic either. The tune is in the top part. So listen now carefully how you can pick out these notes to make the tune more obvious. And then the tune goes into the left hand. However, you'll notice in the part that there is a decrescendo at the end of this left-hand tune, and at the same time a crescendo in the right-hand part. So the right hand takes over again. And then pretty much the same again. And the final section is very similar to the opening section. Now, at the point where we stopped, the composer marks un poco slettando, which is just another way of saying rallentando or retardando, pulling back the speed very slightly. But I believe that you should be a little bit more free with the tempo throughout this piece. You need to let the music breathe. Now, if you listen carefully to the pulse as I play the opening again, you'll notice how the speed isn't constant metronomic, but it has ebb and flow to it. At the ends of the phrases, it breathes a little. Did you feel that? The music wasn't absolutely metronomic all the time. And the final thing I want to point out to you is that this piece is going to need some pedalling. Now, pedalling might be a fairly new technique for those doing grade 3. So the main thing to remember is that you always lift the pedal with the new harmony and then replace it again straight away. So, for example, at the beginning of this piece, you play the first note and pedal straight after. Then on the next beat where you want to change the harmony, you lift the pedal on the change of harmony. Lift and replace it straight away. Lift and replace. Lift and replace. If you don't do that, you'll either get breaks in the music or harmonies smudging together. You need to lift it. The temptation is to put it down on the new harmony when you first start learning pedaling, but you need to lift it on the new harmony. And that is how to play Prelude by Carl Reinecke.